The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Money's coming to me.
America is working. Middle-income Americans are making more money. Their take-home pay is better than anything we've seen in 20 years.
The numbers have been phenomenal, actually. Some people said so spot on, so good, that they've actually never seen anything like it.
So jobs numbers came in on December 6th, last Friday. And the cuts I just played, the first one was Larry Kudlow saying that America is working and that the middle class income is better than anything we've seen in 20 years. And the second cut is of President Trump saying the jobs numbers are phenomenal. Well, of course, American jobs, that's awesome, that's great. I think those numbers have been padded, but income for middle class America, best in 20 years? Hello and welcome to the Phil's Gang radio show, coast to coast, the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. My name is Alex Scott, sitting in for Mr. Phil Grandy. Phil was away on business and will return, I think it may be Thursday. That's when Phil will be back. Joining me is my co-host, Steve. Hello, Steve. How are you, sir?
Hey, good afternoon, Alex, and good afternoon, gang. Great to be here sitting in for Phil with you. And, yeah, I mean, what a crazy market we're having. It's up, down, up, down, up, down. It's kind of like a roller coaster. When you're looking at the market, you know, one day, hey, we got a Chinese deal, the market goes up. The next day, oh, no deal, the market's down a little bit. So it's been flat over the last week. What do you think about it, Alex?
Well, once again, like you said, that the whole China deal, they're still talking about, and they're talking about putting off the tariffs for Christmas, and of course that will rally the market, and the MCA. We'll talk about that later, but that will also, I believe, will rally the market. Steve is Phil's Gang Director of Education and lead chartist. Steve heads the Working Investor Program here and guides you through successful long-term investments, and Steve is definitely good at what he does. So stick around. We're going to do a second segment we'll do with Steve for Stock Corner. But Kudlow was saying we can get 3, 4, even 5% GDP, but I have no idea how that's going to happen when you have a U.S. federal budget deficit that is keeping wages down, and that's how that works. So how is it possible? So when I hear that wages are up, it leaves me scratching my head and asking, how is that possible? And when I hear that the economy is doing good, best ever, well, if we keep wages down, you can't grow the economy. Growth is stimulated by spending. When the consumer spends, there is economic growth. If the American middle class doesn't have the money to spend, there is no growth in the economy. That's a very simple concept. Economic growth is an increase in national output / income. A higher real GDP. There are two main aspects of economic growth: aggregated demand, consumer spending, investment levels, government spending, exports, imports, and aggregated supply. Productive capacity, the efficiency of economy, labor productivity. We need to see a rise in demand and or an increase in productivity. The productive capacity. Aggregated demand can increase for various reasons. Lower interest rates, reduce the cost of borrowing, and increase consumer spending and investment. But most middle-class Americans are surviving off plastic credit. The only investment that they have really is their homes, which is debt. Increased real wages, if nominal wages grow above inflation, then consumers have more disposable to spend. But you have to increase wages for that to happen. And we are not talking about minimum wage. Higher global growth leading to increased export spending. devaluation making exports cheaper and imports more expensive, increasing domestic demand, tariffs, rising wealth, rising house prices cause consumers to spend more. They feel more confident and can remortgage their house, debt to income ratio, right? But when most middle class Americans refinance, if the bank's mortgage brokers, if they even let you do that, it's to lower your monthly costs because your monthly income is not increasing. I mean, have you tried to get a loan or at least refinance your home lately? My wife and I refinanced several months ago, but it was a nightmare. It took almost 5 months. We didn't get the rate we were promised because we had to fight with the lenders, and we ran out of time half the time. And they kept looking at our credit score, which in turn dropped our credit scores. So by the time we got the refinance, the rate went up by 2 points. I think I ate 3 points. It was insane. So about half, 52% of American adults lived in middle-class households in 2016. This is virtually unchanged from the 51% who were middle class in 2011. But while the size of the nation's middle class remained relatively stable, financial gains for middle-income Americans during this period were modest compared with those of higher-income households, causing the income disparity between the groups to grow. So, in here are some historical value numbers. Okay, historical. Meaning 1971. So your lower income households were at 25%, your middle class was at 61%, and your upper was at 14%. And as we progress through the years, 2016, you have 52% middle class. It remains the same. And the upper class is at 19%, and the lower class is what they consider lower class at 29%. So the middle class has been shrinking since 1971. And since Donald Trump got elected in 2016, it has remained the same. And, who is the middle class income and upper income? And you have the upper income at $78,281. And that's a single person. Now, a single person in middle income is $26,000. Well, that's not even a living. What kind of wage you have to make to $26,000? That's you can't live off $26,000 a year. And then for say a couple, all right, upper income is at $110,000, almost $111,000, and then in middle class it's $37,000. $37,000. I mean, how does a couple live off $37,000? I mean, if you have a small apartment, a modest vehicle, I get it, but it doesn't leave a whole lot of room, especially for savings. So if the economy is doing great and wages are going up, best in 20 years, why is the middle class at the same numbers? It's been at 52% since 2016. If anything, President Trump is keeping the middle class from shrinking. God bless him for that. I mean, that's a really, really good thing. But we need to drain the swamp to get growing again. We need to grow these numbers. I mean, 1971, you had a middle class 61%, and the upper class was at 14%. And of what they consider the lower class at 25%, we need to start getting back to those numbers and growing the middle class, shrinking the lower, and shrinking the upper until we can, get a happy medium here. So when I hear, Larry Kudlow,
America is working. Middle-income Americans are making more money. Their take-home pay is better than anything we've seen in 20 years.
Where is he getting his numbers from? So stick around for more Phil's Gang if you want to know more about what we do. Go to philsgang.com. Give us a call, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Want to make profits in the stock market? philsgang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Phil's Gang makes it easy for you to invest long-term in the stock market. The MV2 color-coded chart is simple to read and simple to understand. It shows you money moving in and money moving out with color-coded technology. The Phil's Gang membership teaches you how to read the MV2 chart with the Team Traders Education Program. If you do not have time to invest in the education program, then you simply follow the recommendations Phil's Gang gives you on a daily basis. At 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, there is a working investor video you watch that gives you all the information that you need to be successful in your investments. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Want to make profits in the stock market? philsgang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Phil's Gang makes it easy for you to invest long-term in the stock market. The MV2 color-coded chart is simple to read and simple to understand. It shows you money moving in and money moving out with color-coded technology. The Phil's Gang membership teaches you how to read the MV2 chart with the Team Traders Education Program. If you do not have time to invest in the education program, then you simply follow the recommendations Phil's Gang gives you on a daily basis. At 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, there is a working investor video you watch that gives you all the information that you need to be successful in your investments. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativegroup.com.
License number A1900020.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here. And it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Want to make profits in the stock market? philsgang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Attend the Phil's Gang Personal Stock Market Coaching Seminar with Phil Grandy and Steve Celeste in Sarasota, Florida. This seminar will educate individuals who are interested in learning in-depth stock charting technicals, providing professional one-on-one training strategies and personal investing experiences. The Phil's Gang Trading and Investing Seminar will give you the confidence to make profits in the stock market. Don't wait. Register today. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or register online at philsgang.com. Stop wasting your money and time on outdated newsletters, reading dozens of websites and magazines. You wanted it, you got it. One-on-one coaching with Phil Grandy. For more information and to register, call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or register online at philsgang.com. And we'll see you on the charts.
Walking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
Looking for a home in Southwest Florida? Then you'll need a real estate agent. Jason Grandy of REMAX Alliance Group, a licensed realtor for more than 20 years, he has navigated numerous real estate market cycles, helping clients through every challenge. And of course, you'll need a mortgage. Why not get a mortgage hassle-free? And to do that, you'll need CashCallMortgage.com. Their team makes it painless to buy or refinance your next property. Give them both a call. Jason Grandy, REMAX Associate, 941-954-5454, and CashCallMortgage.com, 866-708-5626. Brought to you by Stock Corner. Hello and welcome back to Phil's Gang. My name is Alex, sitting in for Mr. Phil Grandy. While he is away on business, Phil should return on Thursday. That's right, if you're looking for a home in beautiful Southwest Florida, that's one of the reasons my wife and I live here. It's absolutely gorgeous. You're going to need a real estate agent. Go check out Jason Grandy through REMAX Alliance. And also, if you need a mortgage, of course you're going to need a mortgage if you get a house. And that would be Cash Call Mortgage. In the first segment, I talked about how difficult it was to get a mortgage, and CashCallMortgage.com makes it really easy. As a matter of fact, Phil went through I wish I would have went through CashCallMortgage.com before, what happened to us, me and my wife. So anyway, the last segment, just before break, we were discussing the jobs numbers and wage growth, and how we were not seeing the wage growth that they are telling us, we should see. So we are very blessed here at Phil's Gang to have a system for the working person called the Working Investor. That program is for those who do not have the time to invest because they work a lot. It's hard in the stock market. If you want to do it like a full-time job, you have to sit there and watch the market and watch these charts all day long. But with the Working Investor, that's long term, so you don't have to do that. Every day at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Steve puts out the Working Investor video, basically telling you what's going on with the stocks, the stocks that we're watching, or the positions we are in, and he guides you through everything that you need to know to be successful in those long-term investments with recommendations. Always great to have investments to supplement income and retirement. So right now, we will dedicate this segment to Stock Corner. Steve will take over this segment and look at what is going on in the stock market and go over some numbers. If you are interested in what we do here at Phil's Gang, simply go to philsgang.com. There on the homepage, you will see a laptop with a play button on the laptop screen. Click that button to play the video, just a short explanation of what we do here, and then you can click the Get Started button to proceed. Go ahead, take it away, Steve.
Okay, thanks, Alex. So, gang, first of all, if you're not a member, the gang members, they already know what's going on. They know what I'm talking about. But the people that are out there that are listening that have a job, that you're working 9 to 5 and you don't have time to trade, but you want to do some investing, what you got to do is go to philsgang.com, like Alex said, click Get Started, join the Working Investor Program. Right now, we're actually giving it away for 10 days to try. You get the Phil's Gang membership plus our MV2 color-coded chart, which tells you where the institutional money is going and where your trend is going. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? And you're going to have fun doing it, okay? So make sure you're going to the website. You click Get Started, get the free trial going. That's a good free gift for Christmas. And by the way, it doesn't have to be just for you. Get your kids involved. Get your grandkids involved, right? Get your friends involved. Get people involved, because this is how everybody succeeds, right? Especially the middle class. Phil said it on the radio show, I believe it was last Friday. He said, the top 1%ers, right, they're not getting rich. They're getting crazy rich, right? And the low end, right, the bottom 1%, right, those guys are okay because they've got supplements, right? They've got health care, they've got free phones, they got food stamps. They get it all for free, right? The middle class is what's getting screwed, so we need to support ourselves by doing some investing. And so listen to this. This is what I do for you every day. You can see here that Netflix dropped today. It's got a nice gap down here. This red under yellow tells me that we're starting a downtrend. Okay. Now, we're not going to short it fully until we get 1, 2, 3 days red. And we want our %K line, which is this red line down here, to get down to about 67%. Once it gets to 67%, then there's a high probability that it's going to come all the way down here underneath the 32%, which means this should continue to drop. That's right. And so, do you hear what I did there? I'm telling you exactly what to do with your position. I mean, you'd have to be crazy not to want to get involved with what I'm doing here. I'm telling you exactly what to do. I'm telling you when to buy. I'm telling you when to add to your position. I'm telling you when to run like hell, right? I'm telling you where to put your stops. I mean, does your broker do that for you? Does your financial advisor do that for you? I mean,
well,
what do they do for you, Alex?
Right, and not to mention, I'll bring up a fine point here, okay? So you have these people on TV. So you have these people, out there marketing to you, and it sounds like a good thing, right? But the way I perceive it, okay, it's like somebody standing on a street corner. Okay, I'll take care of your finances for you. Would you hand over your bank account to these people? Would you hand over your wallet? Well, of course you wouldn't. There's no way on God's green earth. I hope you wouldn't do that. I mean, who's going to take care of your finances better than you? Because these people certainly aren't going to do that. So I totally agree with you, Steve.
Yeah, I mean, Phil says it all the time. What are you, nuts? You gotta get involved. Join philsgang.com. Call now, 877-600-GANG or 877-600-4264. The whole idea is we help you learn to make money. Once you make money, we ask that you donate it to either the kids at St. Jude's or over to the Wounded Warrior program or to the Southeast Guide Dogs or to the American Cancer Society or Susan B. Komen or whoever it is that you want to donate to, that helps you feel better at the end of the day, then that's all that matters for us. Again, philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Join now, 877-600-GAME. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the PhilsGang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the PhilsGang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the PhilsGang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day?
That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026.
Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
Want to make profits in the stock market? PhilsGang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Phil's Gang makes it easy for you to invest long-term in the stock market. The MV2 color-coded chart is simple to read and simple to understand. It shows you money moving in and money moving out with color-coded technology. The Phil's Gang membership teaches you how to read the MV2 chart with the Team Traders Education Program. If you do not have time to invest in the education program, then you simply follow the recommendations Phil's Gang gives you on a daily basis. At 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, there is a working investor video you watch that gives you all the information that you need to be successful in your investments. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
Want to make profits in the stock market? PhilsGang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Phil's Gang makes it easy for you to invest long-term in the stock market. The MV2 color-coded chart is simple to read and simple to understand. It shows you money moving in and money moving out with color-coded technology. The Phil's Gang membership teaches you how to read the MV2 chart with the Team Traders Education Program. If you do not have time to invest in the education program, then you simply follow the recommendations Phil's Gang gives you on a daily basis. At 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, there is a working investor video you watch that gives you all the information that you need to be successful in your investments. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show, coast to coast, the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. My name is Alex. Phil is away on business and should return on Thursday. So the USMCA deal has finally gone through. And it is supposed to be a historical trade deal reached by the United States, Mexico, and Canada. The deal must now be ratified by all three countries. A House vote delayed as Democrats fought to improve enforcement mechanisms after winning a majority in the chamber in November 2018 is slated for next week. The modifications had delayed congressional approval, raising the possibility that the deal might not be ratified this year since Congress adjourns December 20th and prompted criticism from President Trump and his allies. The Democrats delayed the trade deal for months, and of course, each side of the aisle blames each other for the delays. That's nothing new. And according to Wilbur Ross, who is the Commerce Secretary, Democrats delaying USMCA has cost the economy billions of dollars. Here's Wilbur Ross.
There is no substance to their continued delay. They've cost the economy billions of dollars already by delaying as long as they have.
And now that both sides of the aisle have come to an agreement, it seems the Democrats, want to take full credit for the United States-Mexico-Canada deal. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi in front of the cameras on the Hill expressing her thanks to all of her constituents involved, saying that the deal is much better than NAFTA. So in so many words, this is Pelosi on the Hill.
But in terms of our work here, it is infinitely better than what was initially proposed by the administration. And I credit our chairman, Richie Neal, for helping us navigate all of these places. The unity of our caucus on specific priorities in order to get the job done.
And I'll tell you, the Democrats are excellent at word games. They're always pushing this agenda that they're the best for the country. We need them. The American people need the Democrats. They need us. So by saying our work here, giving full credit to the Democrats, infinitely better than what was proposed by the administration, referring to the Trump administration, and the unity of our caucus, referring to the Democrats. That's, like the Republicans had absolutely nothing to do with it. The Trump administration had nothing to do with it. All this while trying to demean and overwrite the American people and their vote for the current sitting president. Sorry, Pelosi. Not impressed. But the new trade agreement, the USMCA, is a big win for all three countries involved. That's right. And yes, the Democrats were a part of this. It's all about time that they did. It's about time that they did something to help Americans instead of hurt us and the Republic. Trying their very best to undermine an American election does not help us in any way. And so after this good news, back to the clown circus they go. Even though the FISA report reveals that Clinton meddled in the 2016 elections, that's completely being ignored. Mainstream media, they I don't even think they've touched on that. So if you read the revised FISA report, you're going to find a lot more in there. Plus, President Trump is saying that that Rudy Giuliani just got back from the Ukraine, I believe it was, and he said he's basically going to open up a can of worms that he's disgraced. He said it was worse than what he originally thought it was. So they're going to pump out a ton of information. Probably they dug up a lot of dirt on, I would imagine, Joe Biden and his son. At least Hillary Clinton, if not the Clintons themselves, but we shall see. I don't want to be speculative in what's going to happen, but that's kind of what I'm guessing. Drafting 2 articles of impeachment to get rid of a sitting president voted in by the American people. That's what the Democrats are doing now. That's what they did today. So you have this great news about the new deal between the United States, Mexico, and Canada, and right back to the circus. So. And it's not because they cannot get over the Hillary Clinton lost the 2016 elections. I don't believe that one bit. That's what everyone's saying. They just can't get over it. It's because President Trump will not play ball in the Democratic agenda. And you know what? I'm not going to talk about that, though. There are too many media outlets that are talking about it. Actually, you can't even get away from it. So what we're actually interested in doing here is making our Phil's Gang members returns in the market. So if you're not familiar with Phil's Gang, go to philsgang.com. We have a working investor program for those who do not have the time to watch the market all the time. In fact, for the holiday season, we are giving you the working investor program free for 10 days. I mean, that's pretty good right there. So if you have you have nothing to lose for 10 days. So give it a try. If you don't like it, it's not for you. Call us up. We'll cancel before you even get charged. But go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Choose the Working Investor Plan for your 10-day free trial. And the Working Investor Program consists of the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart. And through the Phil's Gang membership, you get full access to the website, meaning we have daily classes and updates, which have commentary on the market and daily stock recommendations. But most importantly, we have the Working Investor class. Steve guides you through his stock recommendations and Phil's 5, which is Phil's 5 stocks that we are in on a long-term investment basis. Steve uses the MV2 chart to access and analyze the market and then makes a decision on the stock positions that he is in. I mean, it's that simple. The MV2 color-coded chart is also included in the Working Investor, and that will show you money moving in and money moving out. You'll learn how to follow the trend of a stock and make a determination whether the stock is going up or the stock is ready to short. I mean, it's literally that simple. You have to go to philsgang.com just to get the more information and check it out. I think you'll really like it. And it's funny because the people that do work all the time and they are in the Working Investor program, they have a lot of fun with it. As a matter of fact, one of the new members that joined a few months ago, I helped him step by step and told him, the best thing to do is learn the training system. Really, it is. Give it about a month, depending on your learning curve. He did a really good job. And he didn't go off the reservation. And then he got himself a brokerage house that had a trading platform, that has paper money. So paper trading is like monopoly money. You don't make anything, but most certainly you don't lose anything. So it's a training ground. And as a matter of fact, they called me not that long ago and said they were up 26%. And I would say that's pretty good for someone who just started doing this a few months ago. It's not that difficult. As a matter of fact, you can teach your kids how to do this. My son is 22 years old. I've taught him how to do this, and he's making money in the stock market. So, and we also offer packages for swing traders as well. The MV1 is for swing trading, showing you the color-coded technology. It shows you support and resistance lines, volume, and 2 kinds of stochastics. We offer the MV3, which is a 15-minute chart that each candlestick represents 15 minutes of trading. That's simple. It's basically the MV3 is the 15-minute chart is where you take the MV1, the swing trader candlestick, and you can open up that candlestick and see what it did throughout the day. That's the 15-minute chart. It's really cool. And we offer education on how we approach the market, basically, the Phil's Gang trading and investing system. And we train you on how to read the charts. It's very basic, very simple, very straightforward, and it's organized. I think you'll really like it. So get over to philsgang.com. We have something for everyone. And to learn more, give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. We will be right back with more Phil's Gang.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day? That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026.
Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Want to make profits in the stock market? PhilsGang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Want to make profits in the stock market? philsgang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful.
Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
Hello and welcome back to Phil's Gang. My name is Alex. It always says, the voiceover always says, now here's Phil. Psych.
I was hoping you were going to come in singing, Alex. That was some good music there. I'm loving it, man.
I may have. Don't tempt me.
Listen, gang, let me tell you, the gang members know Alex from class in the morning. I'm going to tell you right now, this guy can sing. He just doesn't do it in class, but he can sing.
Oh, boy. Right, now they're going to email me now telling me to sing in class, but I'm sitting in for Phil anyway. Phil's away on business, and we'll return Thursday. As a matter of fact, I just received word that Phil may be here tomorrow, so tune in tomorrow and tune in Thursday. We welcome Phil back. And, I just wanted to express to everyone that always looking at the news and the research that we do, it's, like seeing this doom and gloom. That's how I feel about the news, especially the mainstream media. When you do that all the time, it starts to get to you. And I look at it as a form, and of course, this is my opinion only. It's like a form of psychological warfare. It's like to keep you in a bad mood all the time, keep you depressed, or to keep you always thinking in a negative manner. Some of it's truth, and a lot of it is just smoke and mirrors. It's there to keep you, from reaching your full potential as an intelligent human being. But I can tell you this, though. It is not all doom and gloom. Pressed between those pages of despair is good. There are stories that can help warm the heart and bring joy into your life. One of the purposes of Phil's Gang, as a matter of fact, is to help our gang members to have the financial ability to give back, to be able to help others who need to know that there's someone out there who cares, that somebody out there loves them. We just so happen to give to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. If you go to philsgang.com and scroll over our team on the homepage, there will be a drop-down menu. At the bottom of that drop-down menu is charities, our charities page. Click on that, and it will take you to the charities page. You will see just some of the charities that we are involved with. And you do not have to give to one of these charities on the charities page. You can always get back however you see fit. The point is that we can. I'd like to finish out today's show with some good news. Like this story here, I'm going to read in real time, that Jack, and forgive me, Jack, if I mispronounce your last name, Andraka, the teen prodigy of pancreatic cancer, a high school sophomore, won the Youth Achievement Smithsonian American Ingenious Award for inventing a new method to detect lethal cancer. We're talking about a teenager here. You know, I always wonder what our excuse is as adults. And you have a teenager like this that, you know, he's a sophomore in high school, considers crossing a velociraptor with a Brazilian wandering spider, while another boy grafts butterfly wings onto a rhinoceros. Meanwhile, the teacher lectures on the deranged genius of Dr. Moreau and Frankenstein, a man who created something he didn't take responsibility for. And then you have this kid here, Jack, the silver glint of a retainer. Andraka grins since he won the $75,000 grand prize at this past spring's Intel International Science and Engineering Fair. One of the few freshmen ever to do so, he's become a North County high school celebrity to rival any soccer star or homecoming queen. A series of jokes ensue about Andraka's mad scientist doings in the school's imaginary dungeon laboratory. In reality, Andraka created his potentially revolutionary pancreatic cancer detection tool at nearby Johns Hopkins University. Though he does sometimes tinker in a small basement lab at the family's house in leafy Crownsville, Maryland, where a homemade particle accelerator crowds the foosball table, rather. So this guy is 15 years old. This kid is 15 years old, and they're calling him the Edison of our times. I mean, what a story that is. That's inspirational right there. Then we have another one here. Let's see if I can find it. Love this story, too. A kindergartner invites his entire class to his adoption hearing. This is a beautiful story. I don't know if you caught it, but of course, mainstream media, like I say, you know, it's caught in there somewhere. You have to search between the pages to find this stuff. But the 5-year-old boy wearing a blue vest and a maroon bow tie sat on a swivel chair in front of a judge as his kindergarten classmates filled 2 rows of courtroom seats behind him. The students held rulers adorned with paper hearts, the theme being love rules. The boy, Michael Clark Jr., was one of 36 children to be adopted on that Thursday during Kent County's 23rd annual adoption day in Grand Rapids, Michigan. That's not my hometown, but I happen to be from Michigan there. 21 kindergartners and several parents, teachers, and school administrators attended Michael's hearing, and the principal of Wealthy Elementary School, where Michael is a student. So if you get a chance to read the whole article there, please do. That actually comes from the New York Times, but you could probably look up in Google, do a Google search. It says kindergartner invites his entire class to his adoption hearing. Beautiful, beautiful story. Love to hear that. Another story we have here. Hotel helps dogs get adopted by allowing long-term guests to foster shelter pups during their stay. So, you know what? One of the things that really breaks my heart, especially being from up north, from being such a cold area, is during the holiday season, seeing all these dogs tied up in their backyards, and it's snowing and it's cold. So remember, if you're cold, they're going to be cold too. So let them in, let them be a part of the family, be a part of the pact. And this hotel in Mississippi, you can get a lot more than just food delivered to your room as room service. As a means of helping shelter dogs find their forever homes, the Home Suites in Biloxi has been hosting adoptable dogs in their hotel so that they can encourage their long-term guests to foster a dog during their stay. That's a beautiful story as well. But we're going to close out for sure with this one. Teen makes armor that blocks radiation during cancer treatments, reducing exposure by a whopping 75%. And this young lady is 16 years old. What a beautiful story that is, too. So don't forget to give back this season. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. That's one that we give back to. And I think I'm going to let Steve here close out the show with some very good news on our end about Johnson & Johnson. So why don't you tell the listeners about that, Steve?
All right, Alex. So, yeah, thanks. J&J, we got into this stock back in November 8th at $132.25 a share. It's currently at $140.45 a share. That's a gain of 6.2% on our Johnson & Johnson. So can you imagine making those type of profits? You're not going to do it anywhere else. Your broker's not going to do that for you, right? And that's just in a little bit over a month, 6% on your money, right? So that's just waiting for the chart to turn green. That's your first indicator that the money is going into that stock, right? So just make sure you join the gang, you follow the MV2, you follow the working investor every day, because it works. And in the end, you're going to be able to help the kids at St. Jude. You're going to be able to help, Susan B. Komen. You're going to be able to help all the people that need the help. And if you don't, then, well, quite honestly...
Are you nuts? Are you nuts? What are you, nuts? Are you nuts? What is a rue nut? Are you nuts? Are you nuts? Are you nuts? Are you nuts? Are you nuts?
I mean, you gotta be nuts if you're not joining the gang and going out here and helping people and making some money. And, that's all I've got to say. We still have some more time left?
I think we do. And with that, go to philsgang.com and click on the Get Started button. And once you do that, it's going to take you to the products page or pricing page, if you will. You'll see the working investor there at the very top. That's the featured package. So if you click on that, you get 10 days for free to try it out. I mean, you have nothing to lose there. I'm putting you to the test here. Put us to the test. 10 days free. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. And we'll see you on the charts.
See you on the charts, everybody.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at